Why you got to say nasty shit, Ray?
Oh, I'm a nasty motherfucker.
What it do? It's a boy Young Amp, Street Gorilla 35. Fucking with your boy Dallas K, Sunshine Entertainment.
Entertainment, Street Gorilla shit, you know what I'm saying? Got my homie Dallas K in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Shout out here, network and shit.
Shout out to you, man.
You know what I'm saying? We about to do an exclusive real quick. NastySouth.com. We got a couple beats we was flying through. I finally found one I like. I be tripping with the beats. So we gonna run it real quick.
Street Gorilla.
Yo, now.
Forgive me if I'm not politically correct. Something else is in me, and now I wanna flex. Curved angle on your ass, hit you with the suplex. Looking in their eyes like who's next, who's best. Doing 2 C's from the left, looking like a beast with the dove tatted on his chest. No love shown, still he shows up to finesse, shows out to impress. Screaming out when they say I can say, nigga, freedom press. Shit, I mean freedom of speech. Still, everything is everything in the kingdom of the king. Smoking on that Kingston, thinking about my dreams. Should I be a kingpin or give my all to a queen? Slowly sinking away, stuck somewhere in between. An alternate reality with a better connection. No more casualties when everything come correct in the name of formality. Someone said to say a G shit, I guess it had to be me. Bitch, I'm fucking A, I'm fucking 2P. Bitch, I'm fucking 2G. Turned up off that Tunchi. Coke shit, I smoke this. Dro shit, I'm smoking, I'm choking. Got that Hennessy, my kin with me. Freestyling, free wildin'. Need the black and mild, I need to fucking turn up. I'm turned up, just showing the track, bitch. Turn down for what? Bruh said he gon' hit it though. Hit me with the fucking verse I know. Fuck that shit from Houston to Dallas, bitch, we go. Yo. Hey,
NastySouth.com. Shout out to Heavy, Nasty Nate.
Boss Shop EMP. You gotta know what time it is. We want some Street Gorilla shit. Shout out to Nasty South. Sure.